Hello and welcome to my summary for my wheel strategy trades for the week ending October 27, 2023. Halloween is on its way, so we're looking forward to that. Let's get into what I traded. First, I had PayPal, where I sold a put, and this time I was assigned the shares, so I'll be selling covered calls. I also am still in PM, which is Philip Morris, and I sold covered calls. They still didn't get up there, so I haven't yet been called away. And then I was in GS, Goldman Sachs. I was in SLB, Schlumberger, and CRSP, which is CRISPR Therapeutics. I've done that one before. All of those went to the end of the week and expired worthless. So that's what I've done. Looking forward to hopefully getting out of PayPal. They have earnings coming up, as well as PM. PM kind of fell, so I'm hoping that it moves up at the beginning of the week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.